In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make someone co-host on a Zoom meeting and add a co-host in Zoom. If you're hosting a Zoom meeting and want to give another participant extra controls, such as helping manage attendees, muting participants, or assisting with the meeting overall, making them a co-host is a simple and useful option. I'll walk you through the process clearly so you can do it without any confusion. First, open Zoom in your browser and sign into your account. Make sure you're logged into the correct host account because only the meeting host can assign someone as a co-host. Once you're signed in, either start a new Zoom meeting or join a meeting that you're already hosting. After you're inside the meeting, look for the meeting toolbar, usually located at the bottom of the Zoom window. In that toolbar, click on Participants. This will open the participant panel where you can see everyone currently in the meeting. Next, find the person you want to make a co-host. If you have a lot of attendees, take a moment to scan the list carefully so you choose the right person. Once you found them, hover your mouse over their name. This should reveal additional options connected to that participant. Now click the More button, which appears as 3 dots. This opens a small menu with extra actions you can take for that person. In that menu, select Make Co-host. Zoom may ask you to confirm this action depending on your settings or version of the platform. If a confirmation message appears, click Yes or Confirm to continue. Once that's done, Zoom will update that participant's role. You should now see a co-host label beside their name in the participants list. That label confirms the change was successful. A helpful tip to keep in mind is that co-host privileges only work during the active meeting. So this role applies within that session rather than changing their account permanently. Also, it's a good idea to assign co-host status only to someone you trust since they'll have additional meeting controls. And that's it. Open Zoom in your browser, sign in, start, or join your meeting as host. Click Participants, find the attendee, hover over their name, click More, choose Make Co-host, confirm if prompted, and check for the co-host label next to their name. Thanks for watching, and now you know how to add a co-host in Zoom quickly and easily.